Hi, I'm Tim Sullivan with Advanced Media Technologies. We're here today to talk about the Blonder Tongue NXG-EDGE system kit. So this is a device for you can do IP or QAM, in or out. Everything becomes IP on the back plane, so you can take in HDMI, composite, component, or IP feeds, and then you've got redundant power supplies here for hot swappable powering. Then you've got ProAV cards if you're doing any hospitality facilities, or you've got to take in local content and combine it with your other content to put out several hundred channels. There's also a larger form factor chassis where you can do multiple additional blades, and again, any type of inputs or outputs, HDMI being one of the more popular ones right now. For more information, you can find us on the web at www.amt.com.